What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is the third unboxing video, I think. Third unboxing video. So what I'm going to be unboxing today is actually these 2-pack Lanky Box micro mystery figures. So this is roughly about £4-5. They're really small. I've got some of these before. And how do I open this? I've got some of these in a packet. Not like a packet, like a 6-pack box. Oh, there you go. Oh, I got. Oh my god, this is so cute. God, I can barely see them, they're so small. Right. Need to get some scissors to cut it open. So, I'll be right back. Okay, again, I have got the scissors to cut open the plastic. This is just going to yeet everywhere. Like and subscribe equals 1 revive for these two. Yeah. I can subscribe this. Come on. I can't open this. I can't open this. Of course I can't open this. Why would I be able to open this? Kids watching, please don't use big scissors like these. Parents calling me. Hold on. I got a rare. I got an ultra rare, I think. Look at this leopard thick shark. Baby tiger thick shark. Look, you see that? Look, it's rare. Leopard thick shark, baby tiger thick shark. And I also got invisible foxy. Need scissors again. Again, if children are watching this, please don't use scissors like these. You can get really injured. Sorry. And like and subscribe equals 1 revive for invisible foxy. She just got yeeted. These are so lit. What do you think? I'm gonna go get another one. I've got my adult Mossy Rocky, which is an ultra rare, to say if these are good quality. They are lit. These rock. These rock. Ow, that hurt. Sorry. Yeah, apparently they're good quality now from Rocky. So it's roughly about £4-5 from kid stuff or anywhere. Hallmark, Target, kid stuff, anywhere really. So yeah, I have this sand stuff in here that I will get out. If you didn't see my first video on unboxing, make sure you go check that out really quick right now. I put Foxy in the sand stuff. Nah. I'm in the sand. I'm in the sand. I'm in the sand. I'm in the sand stuff. Hey, why did you put me in there? Go put the baby tiger. Big shark in there. He's a shark. He can survive. Okay. What's that for? Sorry. Foxy dared me to do it. Sorry, God. So yeah, I got these for £4-5. Got discount because yeah, please like and subscribe. And maybe I'll do another 2-pack Lanky Box 2-pack micro figures one day again. Who knows? Bye! Make sure to like and subscribe.